everyone, I am Satyaprakash and today we will be doing Arcade Adventures panel. Let's open the lab. Now let's start the lab first. Now let's go to task 1 and you will see the link over here to open it. This is the same link that has been provided over here, that is Adventure application. Copy it. Now just open your incognito tab. Just paste your link over here. Now give it some time to open. Now while it is opening, now see it is open. Now enter the code. Now it is asking for the code and you will get the code over here. Just copy it. Now just paste your code over here. This panel. Submit. Now it is recommended to go with your will. Just anything. Open it. We'll go with schema. Then strong contingency. Now yes. Now you will get a 75. Now go to your assessment. Now again choose your assessment. Now submit the assessment. It will ask for the assessment code. This is the lab assessment code that will get little bit down. Now just copy it. Now paste over here and submit. Now you see, we'll get a congratulations. Let's end our lab over here and lab.